Hey, what's up, everyone? Oh, it's another day, and today I want to go and show you a state of a certain road in Kisii, in a place called Nyamataro in Kisii County. Wow, I heard that this road is in a mess and is in a bad state. So that's why I want to take you so that at least you people also see how the state of the road. Wow, so that's where I'm headed. Right now, I'm on a motorbike. Yeah, from Kisii town to Nyamataro. So let's go and see the state of that road. Oh, so now here. Oh, wow. So this is the state of the road. The government just left it dust everywhere. So that's the reason why people were like on a strike yesterday. But today I think everything is just chill. Wow, no strike. Oh, I can see. Wow. So this is the state of the road. Wow, everything is just in this form. Dusty. Wow. So right there you can see some black spots. This is where they were burning some tires yesterday. Wow. And the government came. And also if you look, people are selling by the roadside. So that's the reason why they were crying yesterday. Like they want the government at least to pour some water on the road. Wow. So the government should do something because these are the voters and they elected the government, the president and everything. Mhm. Wow. So maybe yesterday people weren't able to pass here, but today, oh, look, now maybe this is where they blocked everything. This is where they blocked because you can see the black spots here all over. Wow, they were burning this place. Wow, look at the kind of the stones. They were, no, that's not a stone, but a tree somebody's pulling. I don't know if it's one of them, man. But the government should just do something here. So this place is called Nyamataro, Nyamataro in Kisii County or Kisii Town. Wow. But here is okay. Everything just looking chill because the road is well done. Si tunaweza songa tu kidogo alafu ndio turudi. Wow. But now that small spot is where they left. So the people were just crying. Wow. So guys, to those who doesn't know this place is called Nyamataro. There is also a section in Kisii, County. Wow. Wow. So this is Nyamataro. Wow. Yeah. In hotel is here. Oh, ini nyumba. Oh, ni car rental eh? Oh. So that is Nyamataro view, man. These are the kind of buildings you find in this place. Wow. So nice. Everything just looks so okay. Then we have got the Fin Investment Limited Kisii branch. Yeah. Oh, indeed, it is dusty, very, very dusty. Even the people working here, oh, there is just dust everywhere. There is just dust everywhere. Wow. So the people that feel it the most are the people who are selling around this place. Like somebody has got a stall right there. They're feeling it the most, and the border guys. Wow. So like for example, that big vehicle that is passing, it has got a lot of dust. So the people who are selling groceries, everything around this place, yeah, people may be even be afraid of buying because you can see they have got stocks on the other side of the road. So the government should just do something. So this is just an update of this. Wow, it is so dust, man. Wow. Let's look at that vehicle, full of dust. Wow. Na nje inaenda? Yeah, kwenda chini. Oh, junction. Oh, wow. So this place is totally in a mess in Nyamataro. So the government should just do something. Even if you see over there, the green leaves are starting to be yellowish because of the dust. But I think the government have seen their cry on the television, so they are going to do something. So guys, that's why I wanted to show you, and I've shown you how everything looks. But right now, let me show you the view while we are heading to town. We have got Jesmo Hospital. This is Jesmo Hospital. Now let me just show you things around this place. Wow. We have got some shops over there. We'll show you the view as we are heading town. We're headed to town. And also seeing town from this side, it looks so nice. Wow, we have got a resort over here. Pilgrims Resorts. You can see people chilling up there. Wow, somebody's also constructing a beautiful house right here. Then you can see up there we have got a certain small, I can call it a hill. Wow. Wow, then also here we have got Ben's Garden Primary School, Junior School down there. You can see they have got community gate. Wow, I don't know if this residential because looking so nice over there. We have got a nice sharp corner here. We have got a beautiful building over there. Then we have got as New hotel, yeah? Oh, then we have got Tracer Primary School, Junior, very big school. Hiyo hotel inajita? Oh, oh, sasa wajaandika pia huku nje. Wow. So guys, from Nyamataro, now this is the view to town. You wanna see the town, Kisii town from this end. Just wanna see the view. Wow. You can see now that's town. That's the view. That's the view over there. Wow. That's the town view. Wow. You can see, wow, just amazing view from this end. See how it looks, very big. Wow. Let me capture here. I don't know what these people are doing here. I think they're extracting maram for road construction, because Kisii now there are some roads that need to be rectified. Then we have got a school. Oh, this is the Darajambili school. Is it secondary? Yeah, very big school. Wow. Look at the town from this view. Just looking so nice, man. This is Kisii town. Some of you may think it is a big place, but just Kisii town. But soon and very soon it will be changed to a city. Tusker distributors. Now this is the Tusker distributors in Kisii. So guys, I wanted to show you that road that I've shown you. Sorry? Town sikuwa nataka kuchukua, but kama juu naenda Nyanjwa. Yeah, so kama tunaweza pita tu halafu niende tu. Popote tu penye utaona ni karibu. Now this is the Kenya Power. This is the Kenya Power. Oh, so guys, I've just captured that road. So thank you very much for watching this video till this far. Wow. Please consider subscribing, liking. Now just headed back home, because if you do so, that's the support that I'm gonna get from you, and we grow together. To those who are discovering the channel for the first time, my name is Otenga Junior Travels. As the name says, I travel, go to places. Wow. So let's meet on the next one. I'll see you.